everyone, welcome back to our channel GUVI, and I am Roshni. You are watching the series called How to Get This Job. So if you are a job seeker, I would recommend you to stay till the end of this video. Today we are going to discuss about an important job role that exists in the field of UI UX designing, that is UI designer. This video will also get in depth about the key responsibilities, the role overview, and what you will be doing as a UI designer on day-to-day basis. What are the key skills that are needed for you, both technical and soft skills, as well as the qualifications and everything in between. Before getting into the video, make sure that you are subscribing to our channel and clicking on that bell icon. Let's get into it. So the role overview for a UI designer would look something like this. We are looking for a UI developer who lives and breathes clean, pixel-perfect interfaces. In this role, you will transform UI UX design into visually engaging, highly functional digital experiences. You will work at the intersection of design and technology, bringing wireframes, prototypes, and visual concepts to life. And what are the key responsibilities you will be handling day to day? Let's take a look at it. You will convert design mockups from tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD into interactive, high-fidelity UI components. You will implement pixel-perfect UI that aligns with a brand and design system guidelines to whichever brand you're working for, that is. And you will be ensuring the responsiveness of cross-browser compatibility and visual consistency across platforms and devices. You will be working closely with UX designers as well to maintain the usability while implementing rich visual details. You will also develop and maintain reusable UI components and style libraries. You will be translating complex user flows into seamless UI interactions, animations, and transitions as well. You will also conduct visual QA testing and collaborate with designers and QA to ensure flawless UI implementation. You also have to stay updated with the emerging UI design patterns, what are the web animation techniques that you have to learn, as well as what are the accessibility standards on daily basis. What are the qualifications that you have to have as a UI designer? Let's jump into it. You should be having a bachelor's degree in UI design. Yes, there is a UI design degree. You can do a research on that. Also, you can have a computer science degree, multimedia degree, or interaction design degree, or any related fields to it. Now let's see what are the qualifications or experiences a fresher should have to land a UI developer job. Most definitely, you should be strong in fundamentals like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, as well as you have to have familiarity with UI design tools like Figma and Adobe XD. Either of the one will do. And personal or academic projects to showcase your UI implementation, most definitely. And a keen eye for visual details, layout consistency, and color theory. This is very important. And curiosity and willingness to learn all the UI frameworks and design, handoff processes as well would be helpful. Now, if you are an experienced UI designer, most definitely you will have projects in hand, but if you show a portfolio of all of this, it would be really helpful for you to land the next job or land a promotion and so on. Now, for every job or job description, you will have a must-have set of skills. So let's see what are the must-have set of skills, both technical and soft skills, for a UI designer. Deep knowledge of HTML, CSS, and layout systems like Flexbox, CSS Grid, etc. Familiarity with SCSS, Tailwind, or Bootstrap for rapid UI styling, hands-on experiences with responsive and adaptive UI designs, ability to interpret design specifications and convert them into high-fidelity interfaces as well, and you have to have a little bit exposure to animation libraries like Framer Motion, that is a bonus, and basic understanding of accessibility and UI testing tools, because on daily basis you will also need to test what you have created. Knowledge of design tokens, UI kits, and modular component designs are the technical skills that you have to have as a UI designer. And what are the soft skills? Let's get into it. Strong attention to visual and interaction detail, effective collaboration with designers, developers, and product teams as well, good communication skills, good enough so that people understand what you actually tell them, and you should be able to clarify UI behaviors as well with them. Ability to take feedback constructively and iterate it very quickly. Passion for modern design trends, typography, and UI aesthetics as well is many of the soft skills that you will have to have. In conclusion, UI designer is just more than a coder. You are a visual storyteller of digital experiences. So if this is what you are looking out for a career, then UI designer is the right job role for you. All I can say next is jump into LinkedIn or Naukri or other job portals and start applying and shape the interfaces that users remember for their lifetime. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting job profile and how to get that job as well.